Hello everyone, nandito na naman tayo and we're back at the Ramoses. We are here at Seoul, Korea, and today or tonight we are going to Hongdae Street Market. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel and here now sa Sinchonro sa Seoul, South Korea, and tonight we are going to look for an ATM machine and going to the Hongdae Street. So, tara! So, good evening guys. Tonight, I think it's around 20 degrees Celsius. So, malamig pa rin. Naka-double pa rin kami. And naka-jacket pa rin. So, as you can see at the top, yan, cloudy. So, umulan kasi kanina. So, dito guys, kahit street lang, ay may makikita kang mga maraming restaurant, Funiland, GS25 or your parang convenience or 7-Eleven sa atin. So, yan dyan, papuntang Main Street.
Bata na ito bang diri?
Asa kamera ni mama? Kamera so.
While walking, we noticed that there are still lots of people walking around, even if it's already night time.
Picture
Ito na pili.
South Korea is one of the safest and most efficient people of the world, and one of the richest country all over the globe. So even in the city mostly
Dili
full of buildings and concretes,
Mga
but
18 or 20
they
degrees.
still manage to take care of
guys,
their trees
kaysa
by protecting and saving them.
Ulangan to.
nasa ka?
So even if you just roam around the city or the street, you will be having a good time looking around, watching the people, watching the buses and cars on the streets. So yan na nga guys, naglakaw-lakaw mi diri sa dalan sa highway sa Sinchonro kay mangita mi og ATM machine kay tomorrow we are going to Nami Island, Lingaw.
nagkuwanta. Nak, dali na, kalina. Picture na ko, dali na. Nak!
Who are you?
Loko ni mo.
Look, picture. Yeah.
So yan guys, dito kami sa Yanghua-ru. Naglalakad. Yan. It's around 8 PM pero marami pa rin ang tao guys.
Ciao!
At ayan guys, may naspatan kami. So i-try na to ni guys. Kung unsa ilaha diri, kung lami pud paghapon. So from Gongcha ay meron din silang street food. Yan guys. So here na tayo sa Gongcha guys, and i-try natin ang product nila, and then we'll try also street food later. So dara guys, kitry na ko ang Gongcha na hibiscus fruit tea, zero sugar. Lami kay guys. Hibiscus.
I kid you not. Anong burger nila ito?
Gusto ka? Yan. So yan guys, cross na tayo ng street and diretso tayo sa Popeyes for take out.
Salan ba?
Hi guys, so wala namin sa Popeyes chicken. Mag-take out food. So yan na nga guys, yung food namin. Akala ko i-take out, di pala. Layo na kay tagibaklayan kay may yung kagduol ra. Tabok ta. Gongcha ta.
Nanapot.
So, time check guys, it's already 10 o'clock. Pero daghan pagyapon og tao. So, ayan guys. Ako kayong oras. It's 10:17 in the evening. Pero daghan pagyapon og tao. So here is the Hongdae Street guys.
Nakalilagod na. Meron pa ha?
So diri guys uso kay sa ilaha gid ang mga samgyupsalan. Halos tanan kanto samgyupsal. Halos tanan kanto CCTV, halos tanan kanto pagkaunan. Yan. So guys, it's 10:30 na. Uwian na. Pero daghan pa kay pug tao sa gawas. Ambutan ni nila murag pa man siguro sila yung mga trabaho. Mga bakasyonista pud siguro ni. So medyo mingaw na diri sa moang area guys. Pero dool na mi dito sa among stayhan na apartment condominium. Kaya guys, kung nagustuhan ninyo ang panonood ng YouTube channel namin na The Ramoses, abangan nyo, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment sa YouTube channel ang The Ramoses for more videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.